It's often said that Naples is home of the first ever pizza, but Rome also has its own local pizza style. Classic Roman pizza features a crust that is thicker than Neapolitan but much thinner than, say, a Detroit-style pizza, and is sold by the slice in bakeries around the city. Compared to Neapolitan-style pizza, this style is cooked at a low temperature for longer to give it a nice crispy base. This recipe is inspired by the traditional pizza Bianca that you can bake in your own Ooni pizza oven. For equipment, you'll need a small bowl, a stand mixer, a tea towel, a 9 by 13 inch sheet pan, bread knife and a rubber spatula. For the ingredients for the dough, you'll need 150 grams of warm water, 9 grams of salt, 1.3 grams of active dry yeast, 225 grams of bread flour, 2 tablespoons of olive oil for brushing inside the sheet pan, plus extra virgin olive oil and sea salt for the topping. Start preparing this well ahead of time. You'll need to begin about a day before you'd like to cook the pizza. In the bowl, dissolve the salt in the water. Next, add the yeast and stir to activate. Add the water mix in the mixing bowl of your stand mixer, followed by the flour. This prevents the flour from collecting at the bottom. Using the bread hook, knead at a low speed, making sure to scrape any excess flour. Once fully combined, knead on a slow speed for a further 10 minutes. Once kneaded, scrape the dough in a small bowl and cover with a damp tea towel. Leave to proof in a warm room for 1.5 hours. Gently fold and stretch the dough inwards to create structure and tension. Stop when a smooth ball starts to form. You're looking for a smooth side and a seam side. Keep the seam side face down. Brush the pan with the olive oil and lay the dough inside the pan. Cover with a damp towel and place in the fridge overnight or at least 12 hours. At least 2 hours before you're ready to cook, remove the dough from the fridge and allow it to come to room temperature. To stretch, place your fingers under the dough and pull towards the edge of the pan. The dough will naturally contract towards itself, so leave for 30 minutes to relax. Cover with a damp towel again. Repeat the stretching process and leave to relax for a further 30 minutes, again covered with a wet towel. Repeat as necessary until dough is fully relaxed and reaches to the corners of the pan. Fire up your Ooni pizza oven and wait until the stone reaches temperatures of 750 degrees Fahrenheit or 400 degrees Celsius. You can check the temperature on the baking stone quickly and easily using an infrared thermometer. Press your fingers firmly into the dough to create dimples, then top with extra virgin olive oil and salt. Bring the heat of the oven down by reducing the fire to a low flame. If using gas, turn to the lowest setting. Place the sheet pan at the very front of the oven. Cook the pizza for 6 minutes or until top of the pizza is golden. Be sure to rotate the tray a couple of times throughout the bake in order for the pizza to be cooked evenly. And here we go, Roman style pizza Bianca cooked in an Ooni Pro. Once it's out, just season it with a little bit more salt if you feel like it, cut and serve straight away.